guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, and for those who have been here since my beginning of this little journey, welcome back. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. So today I'm going to be doing a huge, I guess you could call it a haul. I don't know. I got a little bit of everything. I got some drugstore, I got Sephora, also some Japanese products, Japanese or Chinese, I'm really not sure where they're from, but it was one of my mother's friends brought it for me. So let's get started with the drugstore. So I got this Revlon Kiss Balm. It's a Juicy Peach. I paid 50 cents for it. Because you know when you go into CVS and you put your rewards, it gives you like points and stuff. So yeah, I paid 50 cents for it. I also have this Pixie by Petra. It's a dual highlighter. It's a beauty blush dude peach honey. It's a weird little finger applicator that looks for applying and blending. So we're gonna do a video with this. That's the real product it is. I don't know. Got some Ciano eyes, blamed blue from Rimmel. It's a big chubby. I got the Get Skinny Lace Precision from Wet n Wild. I did open it. I used it. It's really good to do like a sharp liner. How do you guys like my fall inspired look? Yeah. As you can tell, fall is my favorite. Pumpkin spice freak right here. Let's see what else we got. Got a big pack of wispy lashes. The original feather lash with invisible band. It brings 5 pairs. Originally it's about $15 in CVS. I paid $7 because I used one of the coupons. I got a CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow in Rich Brunette. I heard this one's good, so I'll let you guys know if it's really good as everybody's saying. I got another brow product. Here is a medium brown. It's like a powder. I don't know. It looked interesting, so I'll let you know. I tried this today. It's pretty awesome. I mean, actually I tried today for the first time ever to contour with the creams. It was kind of hard, but yeah. So this is in Dark 600. It's pretty good. I do have the regular concealer one, and it's pretty good. It's just annoying the way that it comes out, because it's like, I don't know, but I like the formula. I lost them. I got the magnetic lashes from Ardell. They suck. They're trash, literally. I don't have the product with me at the moment. It's in my vanity, but I got the Renaissance Flake from Makeup Revolution. The eyeliner, it's pretty awesome. It's super black. It's not shiny. It's matte, so I really like it. It's like $7, I believe. I got some white NYX eyeliner. I bought that, and I'll show you the other stuff I bought so I can start doing some Halloween tutorials. I mean, I'm gonna try. I don't know if I'm gonna be good at it or bad at it. So I also got 3 sparkly eyeliners. I got this one from NYX, Crystal Silver. I got this Wet n Wild Black Noir. It's pretty nice. It's black and it's sparkly. I got Crystal Silk. This one's from NYX. I also picked up this Kiss latex free lash glue. It has aloe vera. I used the House of Lashes one, but oh my god, it's so hard to take off. So I'm trying to look into other ones, and I like that this one has aloe vera, so I'll let you guys know if it's good or not. So I got this Wet n Wild white and black paint. They're paint pots for your face for Halloween makeup. And I also got this 2 little palettes, which I thought they were so cute. They're face paints. They're limited edition. This is the neutral one, and this is the brights. They're inexpensive. They're like $6. And the white liquid eyeliner from NYX. I heard that it dries up really quickly, but I got the Fenty Beauty, the Kilowatt highlighter, and the Gloss Bomb. This is how the Kilowatt highlighter looks. It's pretty. And then the balm looks really cute. I heard it's really good. I haven't used it yet. Then my sister gifted me this from one of her rewards. The Bare Minerals matte liquid lipstick in shade Swag. It's really cute. It smells so good. It smells like chocolate. Alright, so I got this super good deal. It's $3 from Laura Mercier. I'm sorry, Laura Geller. It's eyes, face, and cheeks. I paid $3 in Burlington. And it was completely sealed. I don't have it with me right now. It's in my vanity. But it was so cheap and it's amazing. It has a blush, a highlighter, and 2 eyeshadows. This is probably expired, but I was like, oh, whatever. Coming home with me. I got the Stila Oh My Star. It has Diamond Dust, Kitten Karma, and Gold Goddess. It's about $25. My sister gifted this to me as well. The Glam Glow Super Cleanse. This doesn't agree with her skin type, so she gave it to me. Thank you, Luisa. I lost a packet of one of them, but I got the Wondermelon and Berry Tail. I've always heard that they're like really good and everything, but I was like, nah, I don't think so. But I bought them. I was like, holy moly macaroni, this crap is amazing. It makes your lips look like it makes it look wet, but at the same time they don't feel wet, so it's just an amazing combination. I got some products that I picked up from H&M. I was actually surprised at the great selection they have of makeup. I have the Pure Velvet Cream Blusher. I mean, their packaging is everything. Look at that. I love their packaging. It's so fancy and cute. The True Matte Finishing Powder Ivory. It was $1. Originally, sorry, it was $10. There you go. It reminds me of like something that you would buy in Macy's, honestly. Got a single eyeshadow Infinite Impact eye color. It's like a purple mauve color. No, it's just purple on mauve. Foundation. It reminds me sort of like the HD from Smashbox. But I've actually never used that, so I really don't know. The packaging just reminds me of it. I got this Best Curl Friend mascara, but what the hell am I supposed to do with this? Tell me, huh? Like what? Where's the it's inside, so yeah, waste of my $3. Some Sunrise Glow, again, cute chic package. It's a nice warm orangey shade. I think it's gonna be super definer. And it's called Invisible Touch, a lip definer. I did try it and it's invisible, but it like you can see the definition that it gives to your lips. I don't know. It doesn't have a point because I already am done with it, but like you could see, it's like a balm. I don't know. It's transparent. I tried this, and this liquid liner is bomb, guys. Like diggitybomb.com. Like super good. The dip liner ink. So I got this cover up concealer of Sand. Promising as a concealer. We'll see. And then we have this here. That's the Soft Congeal Eye Pencil Midnight Green. But it's a nice green shade. Gonna be super cute for some tutorials. BITCH, I'm thirsty as hell. I'm not thirsty like that way. I'm just like really thirsty right now. Like, girl, look at all that water I have next to me. It's like, so these are the product. My mom's friend was really nice to bring something to me. This is the Nicholas Kirkwood. Ooh, sorry, girl. It's oh man, Hera X Nicholas Kirkwood. It's a foundation in C23, made in Korea. It reminds me, it's like super cute packaging. It reminds me of the Wet n Wild cushion foundation, which I love. Is one of my absolute favorites. See? This is amazing, but honestly reminds me of it. So she got me this super cute concealer, super cute little package, and it brings 2 types of concealers in a little brush that I'll never use. And there's this C3E Stilananda. I don't know how you say it. It's a foundation. No, it's a concealer and a contour. She got me 2 Laneige, I don't know how you say it, colors, but they're so cute. I had no idea what she had given me at first, and then I was looking at some of Tati's videos. I was like, damn girl, those are expensive. Like, look how cute it is. It has 2 tones, so it's like it contours and it highlights at the same time. It's adorable. Yellow and orange. It's so cute. I love it. This is from the same one, Laneige. This is orange and orange and pink. So cute. She got me this XL, I think it's called, pencil powder brush. I mean, I like the concept of the package. It's really cute. It has a spoolie, and then here it's like transparent. It's really cute. And the little 2 tops. We have other 2 products here. I have a Kate Super Sharp Liner from Tokyo. I mean, it's super cute packaging. It has like a spider web, but it has 2. Oh no, it just has 1. But you know what? It's not black. It's like more like a grayish, so I'm not into it. I did try this one. It's called Heroin Make. Girl, what a type of name is that, huh? Purple. This crap will stain your eyelids, so stay away from that thing. I mean, I appreciate that my mom's friend brought it for me, but girl, I'm staying away from that. And she also got me another eyebrow product. It's called Brow Lash EX. So it has a nice little pointy tip for to dry your eyebrows, and then it has like a gel and powder side on the other side. So pretty interested the concept. Oh, 5 products, never mind. She brought me this super cute little pack of 3 CE 3 concept eyes. It's a brush set. It's really cute. just don't want to drop them. They're pretty good quality. I used one of them here. They're just like, oh, okay. I'm mad about them. I have absolutely no idea what this is, but I have to check about it. It's IOP Plant Stem Cell Skin Perfection. Comes in this box like this. And it brings 2 products. It's a plant stem cell cream. If you guys know anything about this, leave me a comment down below. Plant stem cell emulsion skin perfection. I think this is like a toner, I'm guessing. And a plant stem cell softener skin perfection. So I have no idea. I have to do some research on it. She also brought me this little thing called Innisfree Jehu Volcanic Pore Dual Kit. I have no idea, girl. So this is a pore lotion and a pore toner. I guess it's to improve how your pores look. I'm not sure. I have to look it up because I can't understand anything that says because everything's like in Chinese, Japanese. And I forgot to show you guys this. I was always curious about this. I was like, that doesn't work. I mean, it kind of does. I've only used this one. It's like $2.50, I believe. You can find them at Primark. It's a eyeliner guide. Oh, it's cute for beginners. You can at least get the idea. So I don't use this, but she was so cute that she brought it over, and I'm like, they're so freaking adorable. They're soft text, light airy. They're Hello Kitty pads. How cute is this? I mean, like I'm saying, I don't use them, but I'm gonna open one for the occasion so we can look at it. It's in this cute little pack. Has Hello Kitty all over it. What the hell? They fool you because it's like a freaking plain pad. Get out of here. So that was it for this video. Let me use this for something. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back in a couple days with some other content. I will start to do some Halloween videos. I mean, I'm gonna see what I can do and what I can, what comes out good, so all that good stuff. So please make sure you comment and like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for joining me in, and I'll see you in a couple days. Take care, guys.